iOS 26, Apple lets you expand the lock screen clock on your iPhone's display until it dwarfed everything else. But in iOS 27, Apple is doing the opposite. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Apple has added a compact mode that shrinks the time to roughly the size of the date and tucks it into the row at the top of the screen. The result is a lock screen that genuinely shows off your wallpaper while still displaying the time and date. If you pick the photo that looks better in its complete framing, this is the first time iOS gives you the opportunity to see more of it. To shrink the clock, touch and hold the lock screen, then tap Customize. Tap inside the currently set clock frame to open the font and color panel, then tap the new icon made of two horizontal bars in the top right corner of the panel to set the clock to compact mode. If you're happy with the new look, tap anywhere else on the wallpaper, then tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see that the clock shrinks immediately and moves up beside the date, so you can judge the effect against your wallpaper before saving. To go back, simply tap the same icon in the font and color panel again. The clock will return to its previous position and size. The new compact clock keeps your existing clock customizations like font, weight, and color, and these can still be adjusted, but you do lose access to the liquid glass slider in compact mode. Keep in mind that the option applies to individual lock screens rather than being a global setting, so you can have a compact clock in one wallpaper and a full-size one on another. iOS 27 is currently in public beta, and it's set for a wider rollout with the rest of the Apple releases expected in September. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.